In this video, I'm showing you how to crop the videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. First, import the footage, whatever you needed. Then go to FX panel. If in case you didn't find the FX, go to Window and enable the FX here. Or else Shift plus 7 is the shortcut key. Go to FX panel and search for crop. Under transform, you get the crop option. Simply drag and drop here. Or else you can select this clip and double tap. See, the crop is added. This is the effects control panel. When coming to the crop, you can do in multiple ways, guys. Number one is select the clip and press on the crop. You will see this blue color bars. Simply by dragging, you can adjust the crop. This is one way. Second way is you can adjust through these sliders. See, you can move like this. Just press the left button on your mouse and move left or right, depend upon how much crop you needed. Top, bottom, right. One more thing I want to share here is if you press the shift key and move the sliders, you will get like fast movements. If you press control and move the slider, you will get very slow movement. Right now I'm moving this with pressing the control and simultaneously clicking the left key of the mouse and moving. If I do with shift, now I pressed the shift key and dragging. See how fast it is. So this is how you can crop the clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. I hope this video is really helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to click that like button and also click the subscribe button for more tips and tricks followed by gadget reviews, mobile reviews and more on this channel. And by the way, don't forget to click that bell icon, then only you will get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in another video.